Omanawa Falls is a special place for the people of the land, Ngāti Hangarau, and our neighbouring hapu. It has been an important part in our history, but more importantly, it will play an important part in our future as well. Omanawa Falls has a good place in our history, in our identity, because it plays a key part in the development of our narrative as a people. Omanawa Falls by itself is a special place, but Omanawa Falls sits within a whānau of waterfalls that exist in this area. Omanawa Falls is especially important for us as Ngāti Hangarau, because this is a place where we go to interpret our future. For many generations, our people have been using these falls as a place to connect with our land, to connect with our ecosystems, to connect with our environment. But it's also important for our future, because by listening to the falls, in other words, by paying attention to the signs in our environment, we can determine what is needed to keep the mauri of our rivers, to keep the mauri of our forests, to keep the mauri of our land intact and alive, and how we as people can add to that mauri, to develop that mauri in order to better look after the environment so that our people can develop and grow within that environment. Ōmanawa Falls is a place where we go for āio and rongoa. We go there to help restore, help relax, help to calm, help to develop our spirits, our mental capacity. The spiritual side is an important part of our āio connection with Ōmanawa Falls. On the other side, also related, is the rongoa side, where the rongoa aspects of healing, of medicinal purposes, a holistic approach to healing through rongoa. Ōmanawa Falls provides that environment. If you're going to Ōmanawa Falls with the right intent, with the right whakaro, then the mauri of the waterfalls can help to connect to your mauri. The name Ōmanawa is an ancient name. It is a name that reflects our connection to the whenua. Because of our strong connection with the land, with the environment, with the rivers, with the forest, a lot of the names that have been applied to these special areas relate to parts of the body. The strategy behind that is so that we don't forget that these places don't exist in isolation from other parts of our rohe. So the name Ōmanawa literally means of the heart. Other places within our rohe include Te Korokoro, which means throat, Te Kaki, which means neck, Whare Tangata, which means womb. So all these special places have names. So Ōmanawa is not a name that exists in isolation, but it exists as a relationship with other areas within our rohe, to remind us that Ōmanawa is, although a place of beauty on its own, it is also a part of a system of special places. So all these parts of the body, they make the body of the Ngāti Hangarau rohe. It is one inseparate, special rohe that our people have lived on, and we hope to continue to live and maintain and develop for years to come.